Hey, what's up guys? Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com, and today I want to share a website with you that pays $100 or more for less than 1 hour of work per day. So before we do that, I want you to subscribe to the channel so I can share more opportunities like this with you. And also, if you'd like to know what I'm doing online to make money from home in my free time, my part-time gig, then click that first link in the description below and I will happily send you more information on that. Now, today's website is called OpinionOutpost.com, and they are one of the best survey sites out there because they do have a very low minimum requirement for payouts. So you can take a survey that's worth about 50 points. It might take you about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do that. And you'll get $50 within the next like 10 or 15 minutes after you complete that survey. So it's been said that they are one of the better payouts in the industry. These guys also have a great deal. Every few months they do a drawing for $10,000, so you have the opportunity to win that as well. One of the bad things about these guys is that they're only available in the US. So if you're an international individual, if you'd like to get information on how you can earn some money, then click that first link in the description below. I've got a great opportunity for everyone in the world to take part in, so I hope you guys will check that out. That's going to do it for this video though, so I'll see you guys in future videos. Peace.